7 roles of protein in muscle building. Proteins, the fundamental constituents of life, are vital for human survival and significantly influence muscle development and repair. In fitness and bodybuilding, protein is the critical nutrient for muscle growth and recovery. By comprehending protein's multifaceted roles in muscle building, you can fine-tune your diet and training regimen to yield superior results. Here are 7 roles of protein in muscle building. 1. Muscle protein synthesis. Protein is integral to muscle growth and repair following physical exertion, as it facilitates muscle protein synthesis, leading to the development of new muscle protein. 2. Muscle repair and recovery. Proteins are essential for helping your muscles recover and grow stronger after intense workouts. They are vital in repairing and strengthening your hard-worked muscles, supporting overall muscle recovery and growth. 3. Hormone production. Proteins are like the superheroes of our bodies, creating essential hormones like insulin, growth hormone, and testosterone. Maintaining optimal levels of these hormones is essential for building muscle and keeping our metabolism firing on all cylinders. 4. Enzyme function. Proteins play a crucial role in the body by acting as enzymes that facilitate and regulate various chemical reactions. It includes their involvement in energy production processes, such as metabolism, and their contribution to muscle function and repair. 5. Immune system support. Proteins are essential for the body's immune system, as they create antibodies and immune cells to protect against infections and diseases. In addition to supporting immune function, proteins contribute to muscle building and aid in the body's recovery process. This dual role highlights the importance of incorporating adequate protein into one's diet for overall health and well-being. 6. Nutrient transport. Proteins are essential for keeping our muscles healthy and strong. Foods rich in proteins provide essential nutrients, such as amino acids and minerals vital for sustaining our body's overall health and strength. Consuming protein-rich foods supports the growth and maintenance of muscles, contributing to our overall health and well-being. 7. Satiety and metabolism. Boost your energy and stay satisfied by adding protein-rich foods to your meals. Discover how this can help you reach your weight management and muscle-building aspirations. Call to action. For a transformative muscle-building experience and to conquer your fitness goals, ensure a generous intake of high-quality protein from diverse sources. Lean meats, poultry, fish, eggs, dairy, legumes, and plant-based options like tofu and quinoa are all excellent. It is essential to seek guidance from a nutritionist or fitness expert to customize your protein intake according to your specific objectives, body composition, and level of physical activity. Remember, protein isn't just a muscle builder, it's a health booster. By prioritizing protein in your diet, you're enhancing your fitness journey and investing in your overall health and well-being. If you found this video helpful or enjoyed our content, please comment, subscribe, and share for more valuable tips to help you thrive in your life and career. Uwarm's Concept expresses our deepest gratitude for your incredible support as we conclude today's health and fitness journey. Remember, we aim to help you on your journey to a healthier you. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the following video.